Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. These haircuts are easy to manage, save time and still look stylish and beautiful. As we grow older, we want hairstyles that are simple, comfortable and quick to style. So let's explore some easy and stylish haircut ideas. First we have the classic bob cut. This haircut is simple and never goes out of style. It is easy to wash, dry and comb. You don't need much time to style it. It looks neat and elegant every day. Next is the short pixie cut. This is one of the most popular hairstyle ideas. It is short, so it dries quickly. You don't need much time styling, just a quick comb and you are ready to go. Another great option is the layered shoulder length cut. This style is perfect if you don't want very short hair. The layers add volume and make your hair look fuller. The layers easy to maintain and looks very natural. Now let's talk about the textured crop cut. This haircut gives a soft and modern look. It adds movement and to your hair and is very easy to style, perfect for a fresh styling appearance. Next is the short shag haircut. This style has soft layers and a slightly messy look. It is perfect for women who want a relaxed and casual style. You don't need to style it perfectly, and that's the beauty of it. Another simple idea is the short side part bob. This style frames your face nicely. It looks classy and works well for both everyday and special occasions. If you have natural curls, try a short curly haircut. Curls look beautiful and full of life. This style is easy to because you don't need to straighten your hair. Now let's share some easy tips. Choose a haircut that matches your face shape. This will make you look younger, even better more. Use a simple hair care routine, a good shampoo and conditioner and enough. Avoid styling that need too much heat or styling tools. Natural styles are always easier to manage. Low maintenance haircuts are all about comfort and simplicity. They save your time and still make you look confident and fresh. Remember, beauty is not about spending hours on your hair. It is about feeling good and being confident in your natural look. So choose a haircut that suits your face shape and enjoy your beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.